Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting voicemail now. Sign into Dialpad with the user that has voicemail enabled, because only that account will create the mailbox. Once signed in, navigate to Settings and select Voicemail. Make sure the correct phone number shows. You'll choose a greeting type and set a secure PIN here, so go ahead and pick a short PIN that you can remember. Do this first because the mailbox must exist before recording or forwarding can be configured. Now configure how voicemail behaves. You'll record or upload a greeting directly in the voicemail section. Once done, select a fallback greeting for missed recordings. Next, enable voicemail to email and transcription so messages land in your inbox. This speeds retrieval. Make sure to set call routing and business hours so voicemails route correctly during closures or transfers. Also confirm ring rules. Shorter rings send calls to voicemail. Finish up by saving all changes and testing immediately. Call your Dialpad number from another phone to confirm the greeting, PIN prompt, and message delivery work. Once you leave a test message, check both the Dialpad inbox and your email for the voicemail and transcription. If everything looks good, you're done. Log out if needed. If you don't receive the message, first verify call routing and voicemail license. Then check spam folders and app permissions before contacting admin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.